Bururi Ndagitari William Ruto thutha wake kuhunduka kuma bururi-ini wa China. Umuthi Niekirite Kirore Watho wa Mubango wa Urigiti wa UHC Thingira-ini wa Iregi hindi Igongoan-ini Riri. Ruto ni Eraniire gukorwo akiagirithia utungata wa Mwiri kuri Muingi na Njira ya Kiriu na ya Ukinyaniria Makiria na Kuri aria Mahitiriirio na Njira Nene.
Thutha wa kurikia icera riake bururi-ini wa China na gucoka guku bururi-ini, Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto niekirite ndereti ya Mubango wa Urigiti utari marihi wa Universal Healthcare na utuika watho.
Of these laws, the Primary Healthcare Act 2023, the Digital Health Act 2023, the Facility Improvement Financing Act 2023, and the new Social Health Insurance Act 2023.
Akiaria hindi ya mihango ino, Ruto niaugite ati kugerera mubango uyu aria matahotaga gukenyera motungata ma urigiti kumana na ukiane ma gukorwo makigunika na njira nene kuona kandi cia NHIF ni marigatagirwo.
Pocket costs are decimating families and keeping sick people away from treatment. The new Social Health Insurance Act will now address financial barriers to healthcare and the existing challenges faced by NHIF by establishing the Social Health Authority.
Oho, ni ataririe ati kugerera uhuthiri wa njira cia kiriu, mubango-ini uyu ni uguteithia ona gukinyaniria utungata kuri muingi na njira ya uhuthu.
The Emergency Chronic and Critical Illness Fund will fund emergency and chronic illness costs once social health insurance is depleted. This fulfills the express wishes of Article 43(2) of the Constitution, which provides that no Kenyan should be denied emergency medical services.
Ni Igongoan riria ritafanĩirio Thingira-ini wa Iregi rikirehe hamwe atongoria matiganite hari ni hamwe na utongoria wa matura na kuria magathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩrĩ no ĩndĩ makiendekiria kuthirwo kwa njĩra cia kĩrĩu nĩguo gũkinyanĩria mũbango ũyũ.
The innovation of the Digital Health Bill is going to save millions upon millions of Kenyans because many mothers, some of them, have no idea what the doctor said 6 months ago when the child presented to them.
Akiaria hindi ya Igongoan riri, Minista wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakumisha augite ati ni megetete gutigirira utungata wa ugima wa mwiri kuri mukenya o wothe ni wakinyanira akinyitwo mbaru ni munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua.
That now we are going to network facilities into a primary care network using the digital technology that has been provided. We have worked very well with support from my colleague CSO Walo.
Mubango uyu ni utanyitwo gukarugurio muthi wa rucio ukungwiri-ini wa mambura ma thigũkũ ya mashujaa na uria ukahanikira kaunti-ini ya Kiriu gitongorio ni William Ruto. Handũ-ini ha Muingi TV ria kwa Mwangi wa Murugi.